Announce to you our top 3 candidates. Echo Queen. In no particular order, you are one step closer to the crown. Candidate number Angel May Albina. Candidate number 10. You can join the rest of the candidates because you are in top 3. Candidate number 12, Chai Kawilo. We are now down to the last woman who made it to the top 3. And that spot is for you. Candidate number 4, Victoria Sanida.
Congratulations, my dear candidates, for making it to the top 3. To the remaining contestants, also congratulations for making it this far.
Kaya naman huwag na nating patagalin pa. Let's have a final round of our question and answer.